Indianapolis, during an Indianapolis 500 day one of qualifying where 20 cars or more came in with a legitimate shot at making Sunday's Fast 12, Chip Ganassi Racing placed all 5 of their Hondas into the second round. And yet in a day full of storm watching, record-setting laps, odd penalties, rain and restarts, CGR's achievement was hardly a blip on the radar. Saturday's qualifying action, which started early, to get ahead of forecasted storms, and ended early, yellow flagged for lightning at 4 p.m., was pressure-packed with storylines from the top speeds to the driver who didn't turn a single qualifying lap but still qualified for the race. Let's break it down. The fastest speeds in 26 years Saturday began with Ed Carpenter, Scott Dixon and Jimmie Johnson becoming the 8th, 13th and 14th fastest drivers in Indy 500 practice history from their laps in the pre-qualifying warm-up, and that record book rewriting continued into the opening runs of qualifying. A pair of IndyCar's youngest stars, Pato and Rinus VeeKay, went off first and second, respectively, to kick off qualifying, and not only did they go untouched, but few have ever run faster. More, Ed Carpenter on Indy 500 practice, we did a little bit of everything Indy 500 qualifying 2022. Here are the top 12 at Indianapolis Motor SpeedwayVeeKay, who last year became the youngest front row starter in the race's history. Leapfrogged Howard, 233. 655 miles per hour versus 233.037 mile per hour, after taking the Ed Carpenter Racing driver's 4-lap average ranks 3rd fastest among official qualifying runs in the race's history, behind only Arie Luyendyk, 236.986 miles per hour, and Scott Brayton, 233.718 miles per hour, both set in 1996. Ard slots in 5th best, additionally behind Tony Stewart's 233.100 miles per hour run from '96. His teammate, Felix Rosenqvist, who was the 4th driver to roll off pit lane Saturday morning, logged a 4-lap average of 232.775 miles per hour, 7th all-time, with Alex Palou 1/1000 behind in 8th, 232.774 miles per hour. IndyCar veteran Tony Kanaan managed to throw down a run of 232.625 miles per hour, good enough for 10th best all-time. An unexpected run-in after pacing the previous 3 days of practice, Takuma Sato delivered a frustrating initial run of 232.196 miles per hour, slotting him 6th among the 9 drivers that had gone off at that point. But his impact on the day's action had only begun. Andretti, beginning his warm-up for his initial qualifying attempt, came upon Sato's no.